How to check out live view in Google Maps and easily navigate unfamiliar areas? Let's figure it out together. Watch until the end to learn one cool trick life hack, so let's get started. So first guys, open Google Maps on your device and select your destination. Either drop a pen and tap on directions right there, and also make sure you have the walking mode enabled because live view is only available in this mode. So just click on the live view feature right here, and when prompted, point your camera at buildings and signs around you, and this helps the app determine your current location and shows arrows and indicators right on your smartphone screen. Now the app will display arrows and directions on your camera view to help you navigate the area. And yes, this all works in real time, so now you have activated live view. Also, a quick tip: if you're having trouble pinpointing your location in a busy downtown area, just turn around slowly to let the camera capture more signs and landmarks. This will significantly improve your location accuracy. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. That will motivate me to create even more useful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.